Hi, I'm Beth Repta with Repta Residential of Keller Williams. Welcome to Northwood Acres. This is 1201 Cougar Trail in Cary. I'm so excited to show you around. This gorgeous custom 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home is set on just over a half acre. This freshly updated kitchen features 42-inch cabinets, white subway tile backsplash, and granite countertops with the breakfast bar. One of the best features of not only this house, but this entire neighborhood are the beautiful lots. This is just over a half acre and perfect for outdoor fun. The master bath also has been renovated with a double sink vanity, soaker tub, a standalone shower with new tiles. This finished basement includes rec space, an extra bedroom, a full bathroom, and tons of storage. Thank you so much for touring 1201 Cougar Trail here in Cary. You can make this home yours today. Call us at Repta Residential, 847-496-0176.